Hi and welcome to our review of Tate's Woodworking. If you are a woodworker or just someone who loves working with wood, you may have heard of Tate's Woodworking. It's a collection of over 16,000 woodworking plans and projects all compiled into one easy to use package. But is it worth the investment? That's what we are here to find out. But before that, if you are new to our channel and want to watch unbiased review of various products, that subscribe to our channel. You can also comment below and recommend us to review the product that you are thinking to buy. Now without doing any delay, let's get started with our Tate's Woodworking review. First, let's talk about what you get with Tate's Woodworking. The package includes a variety of plans for everything from furniture and outdoor to toy and crafts. There are even plans for beginners, so if you are just starting out in woodworking, you will have plenty of options to choose from. One of the biggest selling points of Tate's Woodworking is the sheer number of plans included. With over 16,000 to choose from, you are bound to find something that suits with your skill and interest. But what about the quality of the plans? We took a close look at a few of them and overall, we were impressed with the level of detail and clear instruction provided. The plan includes step-by-step instruction as well as the materials and tool list, so you know exactly what you need to complete each project. Another advantage of Tate's Woodworking is the convenience of having everything in one place, rather than scrolling the internet and going to the library of plans. You can simply download the package and get started on your project right away. Now let's talk about the price. Tate's Woodworking is currently being offered at a discounted price of $67. But if you need an additional discount on $67, then I'll put a link of the official site of Tate's Woodworking in the description and comment section below. And by clicking on that link, you can buy Tate's Woodworking 16,000 plans and all of the bonus for just $47. So is Tate's Woodworking worth the investment? Based on our experience with the product, we would say yes. The sheer number of plans along with the clear instruction and material list make it a great resources for woodworker of all skill level. And at a discounted price of $47, it's a bit more affordable than it would be at a full price. Of course, as with any product, there are some drawbacks to consider. Some users have reported issue with the download process, but we didn't experience this issue. Overall, we feel that the pros outweigh the cons. In conclusion, Tate's Woodworking is a comprehensive and convenient resources for woodworking of all skill level. The sheer number of plans and the clear instruction make it worth considering, especially at the discounted price of $47. Thanks for watching our review of Tate's Woodworking. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any question or then ask us on the comment section below, and make sure to smash the like button. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.